Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for sleep. As you prepare to drift into a state of deep relaxation, let us journey together into the realm of tranquility, where peace and serenity await you. Find a comfortable position in your bed, allowing yourself to fully surrender to this moment of rest and rejuvenation. Before we begin, take a moment to reflect on the day that has passed. Recall the moments of joy, the challenges you've overcome, and the blessings that have graced your life. Express gratitude for all that has unfolded, knowing that each experience has contributed to your growth and evolution. Now, as you settle into your bed, allow your body to sink deeply into the mattress, releasing any tension or stress that may still be lingering from the day. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth, letting go of any lingering thoughts or worries. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more grounded in this moment. Imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you, enveloping you in a cocoon of relaxation and peace. Allow this light to wash over you, soothing your body and calming your mind. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your body, starting from the tips of your toes, and slowly moving upwards. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each exhale, imagine them melting away, leaving you completely at ease. Now, let us turn our attention to the breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, like the gentle rhythm of the ocean waves lapping against the shore. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more peaceful. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of profound relaxation, letting go of any resistance or struggle. Know that you are safe, you are supported, and you are loved. As you drift closer and closer to sleep, take a moment to express gratitude for this time you have dedicated to yourself. Know that sleep is a sacred gift, a time for your body and mind to rest, recharge, and rejuvenate. As we prepare to conclude this meditation, know that you can return to this practice whenever you need to find peace and serenity. May you sleep deeply and dream sweetly, knowing that you are held in the loving embrace of the universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey of relaxation and renewal. Until next time, may you sleep peacefully and awaken refreshed and renewed. Good night.